Edinburgh, jewel of the north and proud capital of Scotland. Here between the neoclassical New Town and the centuries-old Old Town lies a charming belt of Princes Street gardens. Starting in the west at the exit of St. Cuthbert's Kirkyard, the park ends in the distance at Waverley Station. It is not only a refuge and a place of respite for the city residents, but also houses numerous artworks and monuments immortalizing prominent personalities and historical events. For the next month, I invite you every Wednesday and Sunday to take a walk around this beautiful place and hear short stories about the monuments in the Princes Street Gardens.